Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Christine Joy Antonino, 28 years old, single with live-in partner, and we have one kid, 6-year-old daughter. I have 3 brothers, and I am the eldest. We live Santa Cruz, Bigaa, Lezo, Aklan. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Hotel Restaurant Management at West Visayas State University, Calinog Campus, sir.
Okay, thank you. And since you have one daughter, are you the one who is taking care of her since she was born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of her when you work abroad?
My mother, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
No, sir. But I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 4 years to a couple with 2 kids, age 2 years old girl and 4 years old boy. My duties are doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, and ironing clothes. And the priority is to taking care of the children, sir.
Okay, and are you the one who do the washing and laundry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how would you describe your employers?
They are kind and very generous, sir.
And is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And is there, how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm a responsible, sir, trustworthy, honesty, and hardworking, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir, but on my chest part, but not visible, sir.
Okay, thank you. And did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To save money for my daughter's education, sir, and to build our house, sir.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay, and what are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And what will you do if the baby didn't stop crying?
I will check the baby, sir. Maybe the baby is hungry, I will feed. Or I will check the body temperature. Maybe the baby is sick. I will call my employer immediately, sir.
Okay, and what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will talk to them, sir, nicely and slowly, then more patience to the kids, sir.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
And would you accept no day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I will focus on my work, sir.
Okay, and would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
And do you have a full consent to your family and husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and can you please say a short message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as a domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am responsible, trustworthy, hardworking, and can work less supervision. Thank you and God bless, ma'am, sir.
Okay, thank you. And last question: do you promise not to treat your employer's children as your own child?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir.